The Integrated Sound Corporation of Manhattan cordially invites you to a preview presentation of the newest developments from the Olympia line of fine sound reproduction systems. For the next week, all 10 integrated stores in New York City and New Jersey will be demonstrating stereo components designed to produce a full frequency response, heretofore heard only in professional sound recording studios.
Reducing all human effort to capital and commodity. Undermining solidarity of all.
Olympia's greatest advance in the past 20 years has been made possible by the new horizontal field effect transistor, which produces a clean, uncolored sound power of incredible dimension.
The Olympia TEA 850 stereo amplifier with 100 watts per channel reproduces frequencies as low as 20 cycles per second and up to 20,000 cycles per second. These range from tones that are lower than the lowest note on the piano keyboard up to the highest overtone frequencies that are within the range of human hearing. The result is a lifelike open sound quality produced with solid state, high stability, and reliability.
See all the components in the exciting new line from Olympia this week at any of your integrated stores in New York City and New Jersey.